This is the E5AK-T panel board. This is the E5AK-T control panel or controller. This is to control the temperature in this enclosure, which could represent a room or a local. The light represents heat, so you can visually see that it's heating, and also because we're going to be using proportional control, the intensity of the light will determine what the output is. In the back there you see a fan, which represents cooling, so we can heat and cool with this controller. This panel board also has a proportional relay whose input is 0 to 10 volts and whose output varies from 0 to 120 volts. We have an SSR right here, solid state relay. So it's a relay that's not electromechanical. We have a power supply, breaker. We have pilot lights. Now this controller, in order to enter the parameters or to go into programming, what you have to do is press and hold enter. At the very top you see menu, and you're at level 0. So to scroll between the levels, press the up arrow key. Now you're in program mode, level 1 mode, level 2 mode, setup mode, and expansion mode. When you're finished programming, you want to always exit level 0. You exit by pressing and holding, and this is your monitor mode. Right now you can monitor the temperature, which is the PV at 21.5. This displays the pattern number. So we're in reset mode, we're not running. But if we were to press the run, it would execute a program that you're going to have to enter, and it would execute the program in pattern 0. This is your set value right now. To enter, say, setup mode, again, press and hold enter for more than 1 second. Go up to setup mode. If I want to enter something in setup mode, like the input type, which is basically the sensor. The sensor right now is this yellow jacketed cable right here. It's a thermocouple. What I have to press and hold enter for more than 1 second. Now I'm in setup mode, and you have access to the parameters such as input type. So input type, this 5 here, represents a J-type thermocouple. Okay, so you can scroll up and down to change the value. To exit, again, you press enter. You can change degree units to Celsius or Fahrenheit by pressing the up-down arrow key. Press enter again. This is to reinitialize. Output 1, do you want to heat? Do you want to cool? So again, once you're finished programming in setup mode, to exit setup mode, you press and hold enter. Now you're back on the menu. You're not in setup mode. You can scroll by pressing the up-down arrow key to either expansion or any other of the modes. If you want to enter, say, program mode, same thing. You go to program mode, press and hold enter. And now you can enter and program your set points and times for pattern 0.